Not all chakra crystals are created the same way, and I mean, picking the right color doesn't mean it's the right crystal. Welcome to another video on the Chakra Crystal series. I am Ileana from Everyday Crystal Magic, and in the second video of this series, I will talk about some sacral or second chakra crystals. If you have a chakra kit, those are the red or the red-orange ones because that is the color associated with the energy of the second chakra. It is my intention that this video helps you to choose your second chakra crystals in a way that works best to address why it is blocked, why you lack vitality, help you with trauma, and encourage you to seek the help you need in other healing modalities. Let's talk a little bit about the second chakra. This is where the energies of sensuality and creativity live. The associated element is water, the vessel, and the platonic solid is the icosahedron. How do you pick a crystal? Well, depending on the imbalance. Is it blocked or is it overactive? Let's see. A blocked second chakra can show in the form of isolation, loneliness, lack of creativity, and low libido. A feeling of lack of enjoyment of life and living deprived of pleasure, no matter how simple. These are the crystals. My go-to crystal for this chakra is Carnelian. I love this crystal because it is vibrant, joyful, the range of color is rich, it's inviting, and to me it feels delicious, tasty like hard candy. Do you see how many sensory images I used to describe this? That's the energy you want to bring in to treat an underactive or blocked second chakra. Another one that has that vibe of tasty and happy is orange calcite. Use this for blockages in creativity or sexual energy. Also, to clear blockages and support any kind of transformation, pitch selenite. Selenites are high vibration crystals, so it will strengthen your energy field and shield from low vibration energy. It's also a great healer, especially healing from trauma. Now let's touch on overactive second chakra behavior. Probably the first thing that comes up is excessive sex drive, dysfunction, but there are also compulsive behaviors, addictions, emotional ups and downs, manipulating behaviors, and of course, disorders of the reproductive systems, gallbladder, lower back problems, and digestive tract. For this, I will bring in the nurturing and grounding energy of red jasper and orange agate. Let me add that if you are working with an overactive chakra, avoid clear quartz, just to make sure the condition is not amplified. Now, how are we going to use these crystals? If you're clearing these low vibration emotions or trauma, work with selenite first. Let that be directed to the chakra or in meditation. Physically, this crystal is soft, so I wouldn't recommend to carry it with you everywhere. Every other use is fine. If you want these crystals in your sacred space, you can get them in different shapes or make a crystal grid with them. As I said in the first video, if you build a grid, depending on the pattern, you will need anything from 7 to 19 stones, including the master crystal. For how to make the grid, you can sign up for the free classes in the link below. Always remember to set aside these crystals and charge them for this job. If you're done with them, remember to clear the programming. If you feel a cleansing is still needed, you can check my video on easy ways to cleanse crystals. I will also add it in the links in the description below. You can also get a selenite plate. It's an easy way to do it. It will save you time and it does an amazing job. You can find one also in the links, in the affiliate links below. Don't forget to check the description box below if you like any of these crystals. There are affiliate links, and also for the everyday crystal magic classes in Teachable. Let me know in the comments which chakra do you want me to talk about next, other than the next one, which is the solar plexus. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.